Today is the 26th day of January 2017. I just have this cold frame mostly up. The top one I had taken off last night, but I put part of the plastic back up to stop the apples from falling in. Poppy! Poppy's getting old and she just barks at the back door. I don't think she knows why she barks. But a quick look at the ponds here. And you can see this is a yellow flag. It floats in this pond. And I keep the dry stuff on till spring. I do trim the seed heads off though, so that you don't get it spreading everywhere. So I'll trim it off in the spring, but I leave it all winter so that it can crumple into a natural nest, and then the snow can fall over that and add protection. So the fish can all swim underneath there. It's a nice little natural spot for the fish to winter. Fish naturally like to winter under the plants. And I know it looks like the pond here is empty, but I know for a fact they're over here because they always winter under the plant over here. I don't know why they like to do that. That's just how they are. So here there's a bit of ice. This is the second pond from the bottom. There's the bottom. And the fish are all looking alive and well. You can see how they're all wanting to huddle up underneath the yellow flag. And the roots on the yellow flag are starting to look vibrant again. There's a little bit of hornwort down at the bottom of the pond coming back, and we got some signs of life. Here it's still ice, but the hornwort here that thawed out will come back to life. Same with this is the marsh marigold, and that will start blooming again. And this is that beautiful little moss. It's growing on the wood now. Everything is doing okay. The heater hasn't been plugged in. I turn it, well, it looks like it's plugged in, but the power's turned off in the house. And it's been off now for several days. As, well, it was like down to -12 last night. But the days are nice, and so a little tiny bit of thin ice is really not a big deal. I'm debating about whether I'm going to leave the plastic on. Leave the plastic on, the apples won't fall in, but it won't get as much sun. Because the plastic does filter out the strongest spectrum of light. And I believe the sun is really important, so that the algae stays nice and green and healthy and lush. The koi like to nibble on that in the spring. So everything wintered pretty well. Everybody's fine and alive. I should next year I'll use the green heater. I'm going to just take this out today. This heater's got to go. The 1500 watt wasn't needed anymore. Not with the cold frame cattle panel cold frames, and so I was just wasting extra electricity. And now I've noticed that the electrical bill has gone up, thanks to Rachel Notley. Won't be voting for her again. And that is today in Canada.